The rear cover protects your drill's motor, allows it to vent for cooling, and supports the rear armature bearing. The two most common issues with the plastic cover are accidental damage caused by dropping the drill and damage caused by a seized armature bearing. This will cause the plastic bearing mount to melt. Replacing the rear cover is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear cover. Now I can install the new cover. I'll transfer the rubber pins from the old cover over to the new. And now reinstall the rear cover. And that's how simple it is to install a new rear cover on your cordless drill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.